Hey, I'm so glad you joined me. Why don't you get something to drink, have a seat, and let's make some DIY healthy payday bars. I've got my Ninja. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place my medjool dates inside. I've already let my medjool dates soak in warm water and remove the pits, so now we can place them inside the Ninja. I'm going to add my teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil, a half a cup of almond flour. Now I'm going to blend it all together. And that's it. It's so easy. So now I'm going to put this on my parchment lined baking sheet. Got my gloves on so my hands don't get all gooey. So let's make this into a bar. It's so nice having that sweet and salty taste. Now we're going to press peanuts, unsalted peanuts, into our bar. You see that? A light sprinkle of kosher salt on the other side. And now more peanuts. Now let's gently press them in. So we're going to put this in the freezer for about an hour, and then we'll slice it up and have a taste test. So after about 35 minutes, I tested our payday bars, and they seem to be ready to cut. So I cut one, so let's give it a taste test. They're so good. I think these taste as good as the ones that I made last week. You gotta try these. A lot healthier version, and they taste so good. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and show me some love by hitting that like button. If you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. God bless. Bye.